Hi, I'm Ben, and I'm here to review the Remington 4790 shaver that I bought at Walmart recently for $30. My review is going to focus exclusively on how loud this thing is, which is remarkably loud. And the way we're going to measure that is with the sound pressure level meter. Let's go see if we can find something louder. A 5-horsepower snowblower. A 20-horsepower lawnmower. A pancake compressor. A chainsaw. How about a backpack blower? How about a 19.2 volt hammer drill?